This was the last 4 days of our Hebridean trip. We stayed out one night there and then went to a campsite, and then we went for a cycle up the Kerrang. So here we go, the start of the Kerrang climb. I think it's about 3 miles straight up. Here goes. Oh, knackered already. There's the road that goes round there and up there. Once you get to the top of the Kerrang, there's a path and it's pretty beautiful and spectacular, but the cycle wasn't really that hard. It was quite short, but of course with the e-bikes they make the hills a lot easier. So yeah, it was a really nice wee trip up. At the top, so as you do, I got my drone out to take some footage of the Kerrang and also did a little backing track as well. So this is me, and the views up there were just beautiful. We stayed in a caravan site for a couple of days, 2 or 3 days, and we cycled down to the Old Manor store, and then the caravan guy told us about this trip, a little path down to this cycle picnic area which was totally abandoned, but it was about 3 miles down to this little loch, and it was really quite nice, and we managed to get some nice footage from the drone. after our visit to Portree, we went looking for some place to stay the night and found this really nice park up beside the road, and it's near Skye Bridge, as you'll see in a wee second. I think this was the third day, and we went to Broadford and was going through the co-op, and I got a message saying, "What are you doing here? And how dare you come to Skye and not visit?" And we bumped into an old friend, Stevie Boyle, so we had lunch with Stevie sitting out in the sunshine, and it was great to catch up with him. We left Skye and we had one night in Plockton, and when we got up we heard a helicopter taking off, so there was obviously an airport just over the hill from us, and off it went. Quite interesting seeing it so close. This is the road from Kyle-Loch-Alsh to Speenbridge, and I think we'll revisit this whole area just to see it. This is a wee bit out of sync with this Eilean Castle, and they've just got some lovely pictures there. And then we spent the night at one of our favourite places called Seagull Island near Kinlochleven before heading home. So thanks very much for watching this, and the next video that you will see will be from France, because at the moment I'm sitting at Portsmouth waiting to go on the ferry to go over to France and Normandy and Brittany and see how far south we can get. So take care, and thanks for watching again. Bye.